What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're out here working on my new daily driver. It's a 99 Silverado, and today we're going to be removing the seats. So I will attempt to walk y'all through how we're going to do that. You got to get some specialty sockets. You have to get the external Torx E20 for the front bolts and an E14 for the rear. So this is the front nut, what it looks like. And you're gonna have to have an E20 for that. And that goes right down in there. For your fronts, it's just the nuts, and then the rear is right there. Pulling these seats out just to clean up the carpet and vacuum underneath. And then the rear's back here. Right down in there is your E14 that you got to remove. And we'll do the fronts first, and then we'll get to the back. All right, so one little tip, when you go to remove the seat, these are powered seats, so you're gonna want to disconnect your little plug there. It just has a little tab that you push down, this will slide right out. And after you take those 4 bolts out, you are able to remove the seat. As you can see, this seat has not been vacuumed under any time recently, so now will be a good time to go ahead and get that done. Now, I have heard online that people have been able to use like a metric 12-point socket to remove these. I would recommend just trying to find the eTorx set. They're not that expensive. They're like 20 bucks for the set, versus taking the possibility of rounding off one of these. As if you round that nut off in there, you're gonna have a hard time trying to get it back out. So just buy the set. You can go to most of your auto parts stores like O'Reilly's, Advance, AutoZone. And you can also go to Harbor Freight and get you a set. But if you do get the set at Harbor Freight, make sure it goes up to an E20. The 3/8 set I got only went to an E18, so make sure you get the big enough set. The bolts on the rear back here are a pretty good size bolt, and over the years they're gonna rust and corrode, so they will be in there pretty tight. But like I said, that's why you want to get the right socket for it, so that you don't round that head off, because it will make it quite a bit more difficult trying to get them out. Also, I recommend getting you a magnetic tray. You can get these like, typical auto parts stores, and Harbor Freight has them cheap, just to hold all your hardware, so that way it doesn't go missing, you don't accidentally lose it. Just cheap insurance.